It's your girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. So, kakapanood nyo lang ng try-on party ng pinakabagong release ng Detail Cosmetics, and that is their SuperFine Liner Eyebrow Pencil. So, for this video, i-discuss natin yung performance niya, i-review ko siya, and titingnan natin if worth it invest yung 149 pesos nyo dito. Before we head on to the video, may announcement ako para sa mga Boo fam na may business and cosmetics, fashion, and accessories. Guys, I am opening up my YouTube channel just for you. So what does that mean? So I had an idea na gagawa ako ng haul type video or collection video ng mga products featuring business owners na part ng Boo fam. Again, you have to be a part of the Boo fam to be in this video because I want to feature and highlight yung mga nasa community natin. So if you aren't part of the Boo fam yet, then make sure nakasubscribe kayo dito sa channel ko and nakafollow kayo sa Instagram account ko. And of course, be part of our groups. Meron kaming Facebook group or Discord server. So the links to those groups will be in the description box below. So, if you have a small business and you want exposure para sa mga products mo, then read the description box below. Ilalagay ko dyan yung mechanics on how to reach me and how to give your proposal to me. Alright, so now let's discuss the product information of Detail Cosmetics SuperFine Liner Eyebrow Pencil. Nauuso talaga yung mga brow pencils na to na napakanipis lang, napaka-thin, so that maka-achieve tayo ng natural hair-like strokes, which is very, very good kasi we're now seeing more variations and sizes ng mga eyebrow pencils, which is very important. Yung ino-offer nila na shades ay apat, so merong coffee, mocha, Cappucino, and Hazelnut. Yung pinaka-light na color ay yung Hazelnut and yung pinaka-dark naman is yung coffee. Actually, black talaga yung coffee. So if meron kang light or blonde hair, then I suggest yung shade na Hazelnut for you. Dalawa actually yung bet ko dito na shades, Mocha and Cappucino, kasi either way, they both work on me. Kaya lang si Cappucino is a little bit lighter lang siya compared kay Mocha. Pero both of them looks good on me, so either one of them, I'm down for it. Yung ayaw ko dito talaga sa shade range na to is yung coffee because it's black. If you have black hair, it doesn't mean that you have to wear black din na eyebrow pencil. No, it doesn't work that way because yung mga black na eyebrow pencils, when you wear them, especially if you already have thick eyebrows, it will make your brows look even more thick. And for some reason, when you just wear black shades, parang it will look like you'll have boxy eyebrows or you will look like gumamit ka ng pentel pen. So sana instead of putting a black shade, sana ashy na lang na color, a shade lighter dapat than our natural hair color. It's a little bit hard looking, especially if you're trying to achieve a natural looking brows, and parang nagko-contradict siya kasi 'di ba, the fine liner pencil or the super fine liner pencil, yung objective niya is to achieve a natural looking kind of brows, but having a dark color contradicts that. Napaka-harsh ng effect niya kasi nagko-contrast talaga ng bongga sa skin natin. Yung net weight niya ay 0.1 grams. Now, let's discuss naman yung application process and yung performance ng SuperFine Liner. Smooth naman yung application process ng product na to and you can really achieve that hair-like strokes. Except for the shade na Hazelnut. Yeah, that shade medyo, I don't know why, but eto lang yung shade na medyo nahirapan ako maka-achieve ng hair-like strokes because it doesn't seem like as sharp compared sa ibang shades. The other three shades are way more sharp. Mas makaka-achieve sila ng hair-like strokes compared sa Hazelnut. Tapos maganda yung pag-formulate nila sa pencil na to because tama lang yung balance niya ng pagka-waxy or hard wax and ng pagka-creamy. Hindi gaano ka-stiff yung pencil or hard yung wax na mabilis maputol, and hindi din siya gaano ka-creamy na mabilis mag-melt. It has the right balance. Also, since hindi gaano ka-soft and creamy yung pag-formulate nila sa product na to, it wouldn't coat your brow hairs. Pet peeve ko talaga yon, yung nako-coat yung eyebrow hairs and your hairs just stick together. Hindi ko talaga bet yon. Pero this one, it doesn't do that, which is good job. By the way, for the longevity ng product na to, i-update ko na lang kayo sa Instagram ko at Makeup by Booya if you don't know yet. I-update ko kayo doon kasi mas gusto ko na doon ako nagre-review ng longevity ng product kasi mas makikita nyo talaga real-time yung pag-wear off ng product. And nilalagay ko yun sa story highlights ko so that you can always refer to it when you are deciding if you want to buy the product or not. So, should you buy this product or not? In my opinion, yeah, go ahead. Maganda yung product na to and it can really achieve that hair-like stroke. But guys, there's a big but in this video. I suggest you only use products like this, yung mga maninipis na eyebrow pencils, when you are trying to achieve hair-like strokes and not when you're just normally filling in your kilay. And why do I say that? Because guys, yung mga pencils like this na maninipis, mauubusan ka agad ng product kasi napaka-konti niya lang and napaka-nipis niya lang. Kasi guys, again, yung purpose ng product na to is to achieve hair-like strokes. Hindi lang siya pang fill in ng kilay natin unless you're targeting sparse areas of your brows. But usually, eyebrow pencils like this are to achieve yung mga hair-like strokes. If you're the type of person na gusto nyo full-looking brows na nafe-fill in lang, I suggest you go for regular eyebrow pencils. Don't go for this tiny pencils kasi mabilis silang maubos. But I suggest if you really want this product and gusto nyo talaga ma-achieve yung hair-like strokes, gamitin nyo lang siya sa brow head area ninyo and dun kayo mag-apply ng hair-like strokes para feathery tingnan yung kilay natin. Don't apply this product sa mga areas ng brows nyo na medyo full na. Use your regular sized eyebrow pencils. Use that to fill in your brows and then leave a space for your brow area and dun kayo mag-apply ng hair-like strokes with your SuperFine liner so that you can achieve that parang gradient looking effect na parang soft tapos pa thick yung itsura niya. So that's it for my review. Again, I really like this product, especially yung shades na Mocha and Cappucino. Oh, by the way, a little disclaimer lang that some of the links in the description box below are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission when you buy products through those links. So if you plan to buy the SuperFine liner, and you like my videos and you want to see more, this is one way to help the growth of my channel. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And if you have any more comments or video suggestions, then please do enter them down in the comment section below. Just remember, no hate, just love.